My video is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Strip4you. This particular ransomware is able to damage the files that customers store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, the ransomware may be easily injected into the system. The ransomware encrypts the files and doesn't allow customers use the files anymore. Whenever they try to open this specific file, they get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Strip4you extension. If you have been experiencing such problems, you need to fix the issue immediately. The first step we recommend you to accomplish is going to the task manager of your computer. Look for suspicious processes that could be running in the background. Typically, these are the processes with long random names, like this one. You should right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. The ransomware also places this ransomware note. It mentions something similar to the fact that your files have been encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. It doesn't guarantee that your files would be restored. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware. To remove it, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner Antivirus using this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application and start researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats fully from your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is so far available. Click on Start Scan. The program will most likely update its anti-malware database. Then it will begin researching and investigating your system, and it will give you the summary of threats that were revealed during the scanning. Combo Cleaner is provided with the anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be protected against ransomware attacks. So, at the end of the scan, as I said, you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact location on the system. Then, based on this data, you might remove some threats manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to Premium to remove these threats altogether and automatically.